Hi, in this video, we will be looking at pre-deployment testing and the verification of API flows in Astera Data Stack. When designing an API flow, users can benefit from the functionality to instantly preview and verify the input and output data for any action in the flow. Carrying out data-driven testing of the API functionality at design time helps identify any possible hindrances before deployment. The Preview Raw option alternatively allows us to view the API request and response in a raw, unformatted form. This option is useful as it not only displays the data as a raw HTTPS packet, but also gives us the benefit of copying, saving, or sharing the JSON body of both the request and response. Let's take an example API flow and see how we can preview the raw request in Astera. This API flow uses the getHTTPS method and allows the API user to view the customer's table's records based on the value of the URI parameter username. The raw data preview window will automatically pop up when a raw request or response is previewed. Next, we will right-click on the Request Publish Objects header and select the Preview Raw Request option from the context menu. It's important to note that the preview will only work when the request has some incoming data mapped to it. In a raw API request, you can see the URL, request info, header, and body. This is what a complete request looks like in the raw data preview window. The request info, parameters, and JSON body are displayed in separate tabs. In case of a request other than GET, we'll be able to see the input JSON body in the body tab. Let's now preview the raw response. To do this, we will right-click on the header of the response publish object and select the Preview Raw Response option from the context menu. This is what the whole response looks like in the raw data preview. In a raw API response, you can see the date, HTTP status code, HTTP status description, header parameters, content, content type, content length, and body. Again, the response info, header parameters, and JSON body are displayed in separate tabs. Using the Preview Raw Request Response option, it is also possible to copy and save the JSON body of both the request and response. To do this, we will click on the Copy JSON Body icon in the Raw Data Preview window, and then click on the Save JSON Body icon. We will then enter the desired destination and click Save to store the file. This is what the saved JSON file looks like. If the API flow contains any errors or warnings that affect the flow of data, they are displayed in the Raw Data Preview window. For example, we can see that the flow of data has been broken between the request and database source object, resulting in an error state that is, the route is unable to identify a parameter, and as we preview the object, we can see the error message in the window. As for the API flow's verification, it is advised to use the Verify Pushdown Job option. For more information on Astera Data Stack, please visit our documentation site. Thank you for watching.